All right, so finally we got this beautiful Ram 1500 Rebel. That's a new gen, ready to go. Complete rebuild from top to bottom. We changed all the pistons, crank, cam, head bolts, head gasket on this one, new valves on the top, and the lifters too. That's the mandatory part. So everything is done on this one. Now it's ready for the customer to pick it up. Pretty excited. So it's gonna be done today. They're gonna pick it up. If you guys do have the similar Rams, any of the 5.7s, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Let me show you. I'm going to drive it. You'll see what's happening with it. So we got the second Ram already inside. Tear apart the cab. You see the engine came from two other different shops, and I don't know what's happening with it, but the crank is not moving here. So we're going to take off the engine from the chassis. That's the only way to work on the eco diesels. Most of the other trucks with the 5.7 HEMIs you see on the previous videos, we pull from the front. On this one, it's too much hassle, a lot of sensors. We don't bother to do that. So we are just going to take it from the front and check. Probably by end of this week, we're going to give a call to customer what's exactly happening, what's wrong with the engine. 90% of the time, we need another engine, but the another engine, we're going to rebuild it. We're not going to just throw it, swap it, especially on the diesels. We don't do that. If you're looking for a swap on the diesel, we don't recommend that, because with the big pickup trucks, these are always hauling something heavy on the back. So if you're even sourcing or you're getting a used engine, you never know what's inside unless you tear it apart. That's what we're going to do. If you have similar jobs regarding this, you can give us a call. We're happy to help you out. After this, we have another rebuild waiting outside for a beautiful Range Rover. And after that, we got one more rebuild on VW. We ported everything on time. We got this Audi right here. Came for a air condition problem. We rebuilt this one in January. Everything is perfectly smooth and running on this car. The only problem is this: the air condition system wasn't working from a couple of years. Customer bought it like this. Even the engine was back. We already showed you in January. We fixed the engine on this one. Now it's time for the customer to enjoy the air condition. So if you guys do have any of the air condition problems, especially in this summer, feel free to give us a call, book your appointment. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. So we got two mid-size SUV, both are 2019. First one, we got Mercedes GLC 300. Second one, we got 2019 X3. Both are same size, same capacity. So the first one came in with a B service here. Also, this customer, they towed it up here to a shop, got an insane knock. So what exactly happened? The spark plug on this one, they start losing compression, which make a short circuit on that. Two of the cylinders was misfiring insanely. So the customer, they got panic because the engine knock was crazy, like it's almost gone. So we fixed with new spark plugs on this one. Two of the coils was bad. And also we did the mandatory fluid flush on this one. Second thing, we got this 2019 X3. So this one came in with an insane oil spill inside from all this side. And again, the customer was panicked because they came from another dealership, I think. So they was like coated engine. So we put a couple of parts: oil filter housing, water pump, and thermostat, which is notoriously famous on B46 motor. And that's not the first one. We already did like 20 from last year. So we fixed all the stuff, and now it's under a testing mode. The Mercedes one is ready for the customer to pick it up. They're going to be here anytime. So if you guys want any of the services done by Amric Auto, it's standard Mercedes services. We offer you a better price. You can shop around, then call us, no problem. We have inventory for bumper to bumper fluid from Mercedes, Licomoli, or Motul. You pick and choose what you want, but we'll provide you the best service in town. Any inquiries, leave us a message or book your appointment. On to the next car. So we got the very first oil change on this rebuild. We did it last year. As you guys know, this came from other shop. Rip apart from the front, on tow truck, dead. We did the rebuild on this one. This customer barely drives it. So this is the first oil change 2026. Everything is perfectly fine. There's absolutely no leaks underneath. We inspect from top to bottom, and now we're going to put up the oil in this truck, this car. It's going to be ready back to normal. This customer, they save a lot by rebuild it rather than throwing. It's a stick car, A5. You're not going to find in black on black. So that's what the right decision this customer make it. And they did a rebuild on this one. If you want any of the rebuilds, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Also, taking this rebuild gives another life for 5 years on this car, at least if they drive it the way they want to drive it. So when we checked the previous oil, it was exactly the one we put it on. There's no oil burn in this car. And this car came in as a hopeless that time. They just walk into a shop for a second opinion before they're going to scrap this car. And right now, just look at this. Like, there's no absolutely no rust on this car. Engine transmission is healthy right now, as we already did the 20 fluid the time we rebuild the engine. So we always recommend, if you come here for a engine rebuilds, try to do the 20 flush, or if you have a no history on your four-wheel drive services, that gives another 4 years on your car best life to live on. This customer, make a right decisions. If you don't want to scrap your Audis, BMWs, or Mercedes, feel free to inquire from us. We have a larger inventory for every rebuild part on your Porsches, Audis, any brand, you name it, we have it. Any of the services, give us a call, book your appointment, on to the next car. All right, so we got this beautiful 2014 GLK 250, came from straight dealership. So this customer, they got a big quote and they just want a second opinion. This is the second car off today. So we got one of the GLC 300 inside 2019. That's a 2014. Both come from the dealership. They got big quote and they want to make a second decision, second opinion on the repair in order to keep the car. Specifically, this customer, they just want to know if they want to keep it or they can sell it, because it's almost 12 years old, but the diesel is the rock solid engines on specifically Mercedes. It's from like last 3 decades. So one of this beauty, it's here for a front strut noise, and there is a belt noise, which dealership quotes somewhere around $4,000 to $5,000. And we are going to check it out, what exactly wrong with it. And also they give like somewhere around $3,500 for the front struts. So if you got a quote like this, we'll definitely beat it. We price match it or we beat it. Give us a call or drop off your vehicle like this customer did it. We'll check it out today and let the customer know by end of the day what's wrong with it, how much exactly it needs to get it fixed on the road. So any of the similar cars, if you want it, you can give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Make sure you're going to book your appointment at this customer. They booked it last week. So they drop it off today and we're going to take care of the car like a baby. And we got another here is 2022. It's a Toyota Sienna. And that's very surprisingly, the air condition on this thing is not working. It comes with a dual climate system inside with a AC in the back too. So the AC lines, they run from the front to the back. And somewhere there's a leak or some electrical issue in the AC compressor. We need to check it out. If you have the newer vehicles, don't be shy. Bring it to Mercado.